It's Camilla Joy time, here we come. It's Camilla Joy time.
Fun, fun, fun! You like it?
Yeah,
So what is it?
a toy.
It's a toy? What is it? What does it do?
It's make this, and make this.
Oh, okay. So this is what? Kinetic Sand.
Kinetic Sand. And there's difference. It's different.
It's different?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, it's so cool.
Very cool.
So
Makes me jealous. Now I want to play with it. So you got Play-Doh.
You got one. Yeah.
Aw, thank you, sweetheart.
Sharing is
This
caring.
for me?
Yeah.
Okay, so this one's Play-Doh.
And this one's for me. This one's for me. This
Yes.
one, that one's is for you.
That's for me, this for you, and this one's for you. Kinetic Sand. Wow! That's so cool.
Now you can play with this.
Now I can play with this? Okay, well, how are we going to play with it? What do we have to do first?
So we gotta play with this first. To put the ice cream on top the cones on the kinetic sand, and you can put different ice creams, and you can put different cones.
Oh, okay, so, all right, so that sounds good. Sounds like you're going to have a lot of fun. Can you show me how to play with it?
So you always take it off, then you build it, then you can play with it.
Take it off, build it, and then we can play with it?
Yeah.
All right, so now what do we have to do now? We're going to open it?
Yeah.
All right, time to open it. Then we can play with the toys, Kinetic Sand, and Play-Doh.
That's for you.
That's for me.
This is for me. This is for me.
That was for you. So you get two, I get one.
Yeah.
All righty, let's play.
So let's put on the cone. Put some soup, ice cream.
Put the ice cream in the
And
cone.
this nice cup. Put the ice cream here.
Okay, cool. So we're ready to go.
So this is to soup out the ice cream.
That's a scoop out the ice cream?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
And this you gotta build it.
You got to build it?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the all pieces.
Now, what do we have to do? We have to take the stuff out of the plastic, right?
Yeah. And
The sand.
this one.
Mm-hmm.
But open this.
Want me to open that?
Yeah.
Let me see.
It's connects. Yeah. And this is
Time to open everything up. So which one do you want me to open first? This one?
this one.
Okay, open this. See how it opens. Whoa!
Kinetic Sand.
Kinetic Sand. So you already have some in there. Yeah, so we don't need this. This? Well, we need it, but we'll have it after. Because we
Wow.
already have some in here. So watch, I'll open this one up too. Whoa, there's more in here. There's more in here.
It's so glittery.
It's so what?
So glittery.
So glittery?
Yeah.
It's so pretty. They're pretty colors.
And so glittery.
Yeah. So now what are you doing? Are you taking it out?
Yeah.
And what are you going to do when you take it out?
Bear pit make it.
Let's put this here so none falls through. Right here. Leave that right there.
So I gotta play with it.
You going to play with it? What are you going to make?
Nothing.
You're not going to make anything?
But I'm gonna make this.
What are you going to make? What is that for?
It's for a waffle maker.
Oh, are you going to make waffles?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Okay, so are you going to make the waffle? I think you're supposed to put it right here.
Oh yeah.
Put it on there.
Why?
Yeah, so because that's where the waffle mix goes. So you put it in there, you smash it in. Make it all nice and even.
Bro, that's so cool.
Is it hot? Is it ready to cook the waffle mix?
No. It's not hot.
It's not hot? Doesn't it have to be hot to make waffles?
No, after we put this. After we put this.
Oh, okay.
So you mash it in here, then
Okay, so you mash it in there.
one more,
One more.
2.
You're making a big waffle.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's gonna be really big.
Are you gonna eat it all by yourself?
You can eat it.
I can eat it? I'm gonna eat all that by myself?
Yeah.
What about you? Aren't you hungry?
I'm a waffle maker.
You gonna make your own waffle?
No.
No, what are you gonna eat then?
Nothing.
You have to eat nothing. You have to eat so you get big and strong.
No, I'm gonna eat waffle. I'm gonna eat chicken nuggets.
Oh, you're gonna have chicken nuggets. Okay, so you're just making me waffles and you'll have chicken nuggets.
Yeah, and I'm gonna put curds in. Yep.
Okay, so now you're closing it. And how long does it cook for? How many minutes?
4 minutes.
4 minutes? Oh, okay. Ooh, 4 minutes on each side or just 4 minutes?
4 minutes.
Okay, perfect.
And the waffle done.
It's done already? Wow. Okay, can I have some butter, syrup, and strawberries on it?
Yeah.
All right, thank you. Butter, syrup, and strawberries. Are those my toppings?
I always have strawberry and blueberry.
Oh, okay, that's fine. You only have strawberry and blueberry?
Yeah. Do you want that?
I do. That's good enough.
Okay.
Actually, that's very good. I love blueberries.
And strawberry?
I love strawberries.
Okay.
You know how to open it?
Let me scoop this.
Oh, you gotta scoop it out? Do you have a plate?
I do have this.
You want a plate?
No,
Let's go over here.
I have this.
You have that? Okay, so you put it in there.
I always have this. You always put it in here.
Okay.
So,
You scoop it out?
okay, you like that. So, eat it. So, open this up.
Open this? I can open that. One second.
So,
What else you got?
I got some waffles.
You got some waffles?
Yeah, it's so good.
It's so good. It looks so good.
I told you I would make a waffle.
You make good waffles.
Thanks, I gonna make it. So that's how mommy makes it.
Here you go.
She put it in here.
Here's all your toppings for my waffle.
Blueberry.
Yeah, I want blueberry, strawberry,
Oh.
but I want butter and syrup too.
I don't have that, but that's alright.
That's okay.
We can put 2.
It looks yummy.
Okay.
Now, which one's the blueberry? Which one's the strawberry?
Here.
That's strawberry?
Yeah.
Okay. Where's blueberry?
Here.
Okay. Alrighty.
And this is apple.
Oh, you gave me apple too?
Yay!
Oh, that's a surprise for me because I thought I was just getting blueberry and strawberry. I get apple?
And you also get a treat.
I get a treat on the side?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. This is the best day ever. Yummy, yummy.
Now, so this is for Mama.
That's from Mama?
Yeah.
Oh, so she gets some too. She gets some sides. What is that? What is Mama gonna eat?
She's gonna eat pineapple and lemon.
Pineapple and lemon? Oh my goodness. You know what? She loves lemon, so she's gonna be happy. All right, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna take my waffle out and put it on a plate.
No, don't mess it up.
I'm hungry.
But don't mess it up. You can't eat like this. It's a birthday party.
Oh, I can eat like that because it's a birthday party?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, sounds good. Yeah, it kind of looks like a birthday cake.
Yeah.
But it's actually a waffle.
No, just pretend.
Just pretend? Okay, just pretend. Alrighty. So, Now, can I have some?
No, you have some first.
Yeah, give me a bite. I want a bite.
Okay.
Yeah, just one bite. Mmm, yummy. That was delicious.
Now take this. Now you have an apple.
Have an apple? Mmm, thank you.
And a gummy bite.
Ooh, a gummy bite? Mmm.
And a blueberry bite.
And a blueberry bite? Mmm, so I don't just eat the waffle, I eat all the toppings first, one by one.
Yeah, one by one.
Okay. Mmm. That was yummy.
Now I'm gonna make it something else for you.
Oh, I get more food?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's some ice cream.
I get ice cream with my waffles.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. What kind of ice cream is that?
It's blueberry.
Blueberry ice cream, yay! It looks so blue. It looks so blue, yeah, definitely blueberry ice cream. Mmm.
Here's a guy.
Taking it okay, it's all gone. I ate it. It was yummy. Mmm. All my ice cream is gone. It was so good. I'm thinking about eating the rest of that, but I won't because we're learning to share, so I'm going to share with Mama.
And this is something.
Is that something else?
Yeah, you mush it, then you put it in here.
Mm-hmm.
Then put it in here. Then take it out. Then you roll it. Then you mash it. Then you put it in a bucket.
Oh, you put it in there. Oh, there's more in there. What color is that one?
It's purple.
Purple. What color is that?
It's pretty.
What color is that one?
It's blue.
Blue. What color is this?
Purple.
Purple.
Now eat this.
I can eat this? Okay, I'm gonna eat it right now. Mmm. Mmm. Can I have something to drink? Because I've been eating a lot. I need to wash it down.
Yep. Alright. A strawberry drink.
A strawberry drink? Okay.
Now eat this.
Open that one up so you can make me a strawberry. So you got fresh strawberries. You're gonna blend it and make me a smoothie. Right?
I can take this out. I'll put it in here. One.
I'm gonna enjoy my strawberry drink. Do you want some?
I can save this.
Oh, you're the ice cream service?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so you don't eat on the job.
Yeah.
You're a good employee. You really follow the rules. We like you. They should give you a raise.
You're gonna give me a tip.
Oh, I'll give you a tip, all right. I'll give you a big tip.
Oh.
You know why I'm gonna give you a big tip? Because you're the best server in the world. The best ice cream server I've ever seen. You won't even eat with us. You'll be like, oh, I'm gonna take care of you first and then I'll eat later on my lunch break, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Cause I eat ice cream service.
You're the ice cream service.
You forgot?
Huh?
You forgot?
I forgot because you're just so down to earth. I feel like we're just hanging out, but I gotta remember that you're working right now. And you're just trying to do your job, you're doing a good job, and then you'll have your ice cream later on your lunch break.
Ice cream. You gotta wash your mouth off.
Do I have to wash my mouth off? With what?
A strawberry drink.
Oh, this is gonna wash my mouth? Yeah, because it's gonna wash down my ice cream that I ate because I ate so much. So I need something to wash it down.
Okay.
All right. So let me see my strawberry drink.
I'm not all done yet.
You're not done yet?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a big one.
It's a big one. Can I have it all for me?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't have to share with anyone?
No.
Okay. Sometimes you share some things, sometimes you just have it all for yourself, and this is all mine.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Ah!
Alrighty.
An apple.
Yeah, can I have some? Yeah, let me get some toppings on that.
Here you go.
Oh my goodness, my strawberry drink. You made it all for me. Thank you so much, ice cream server.
You're welcome.
All right, can you do me a favor and say Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching them. Something else.
And then say subscribe down below.
No, yes.
Not yet? Say subscribe and like.
You gotta put something on the top. You gotta put something on the top.
Say subscribe and like.
Some says Pomo Play-Doh.
And now say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Love you.
Yeah. Top on.
Perfect.
It's Camilla Joy time, here we come. It's Camilla Joy time. Fun, fun, fun!